Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are standing outside the Panamera floor plan here in Houston. Now we don't normally do business in Houston, right, but we're here because the Sandbrock Ranch community has brand new floor plans and we're going to be checking them out, and nobody had them available except here in Houston.
Yeah, so guys, we took the drive. It was about maybe almost a 4-hour drive just for you, our viewers, just so you can have first dibs and first look at the brand new 45-foot lot floor plans. So like my wife said, this is the Panamera floor plan. So I think you guys are going to enjoy it. I love it. And apparently our kids enjoy it too because they wanted to be up in this video. So
yes guys, so they wanted to be in the video. They're very excited to be on the video today. So in case you guys hadn't seen them before, these are our children. They travel with us everywhere, so they did make the drive with us, and they're looking at houses just like we are today. So again, thank you guys all so much for watching. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss it. Again, brand new floor plan at Sandbrock Ranch. You're not going to see it anywhere but here. Okay, you guys may be excused.
Is that it?
We're gonna go look. No, we're gonna do the outro.
Papa said thumbs up. I was like, thumbs up.
Okay, good.
Good.
We're gonna, okay, honey, I'll let you talk on the next one. We're gonna go to that house next. So you guys can go to that parking lot, that driveway. No, we're looking
hold on,
at
just
the house
wait for us.
Stay right there.
This shoes are
that one. Give me 1 second, Rio. Don, look both ways before you cross.
Hey guys, this is Gus and Karla here. We are your favorite Dallas realtors. We do help many families just like yours buy, sell, invest, and relocate here into the Dallas area. So we are in Aubrey, Texas, in the community of Sandbrock Ranch. So guys, if you haven't done so, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our content, all of our videos that we post each and every week.
So come on in. We are checking out this Panamera floor plan that just rolled out here in Sandbrock Ranch. Now keep in mind right now we are in Houston, Conroe area to be exact, so it's going to be a little bit different, but the first thing that you can see as you walk in is this really grand high ceiling that is going to give you a very sophisticated and elegant look throughout the home. You're going to see the same. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, and you can customize this to a 5th bedroom with a 5th bathroom if you'd like. Off to the right hand side, you're going to see it's a full bathroom, and you're going to have another bedroom that's going to be one of the bedrooms that is located downstairs. So one of the things that I love about this floor plan is that you can have, like if you've got elderly parents that are visiting you, you can have an additional bedroom downstairs. They don't have to go up and down, which is really nice. You're gonna have a closet as well, and still super high ceilings. Okay, so as we keep walking, another thing that I love about this floor plan is it has a really big study. So as we enter, you're gonna have this huge window, then you've got a really good sized study. So this room is great if you wanna make it an entertainment room, a play area, a study if you office from home. You are also gonna have tons of storage throughout the home. You have your laundry room right next to it. And then you've got some additional storage under the stairs. Okay, let me take you guys into one of my favorite parts of the home, which is the kitchen. You guys, this kitchen really truly is great. It's got this amazing long island for you to entertain. You're gonna have the pendants, you're gonna have the farm style sink. Right behind me, you're gonna have a 5-burner stovetop, all stainless steel appliances, which is a standard at Sandbrock Ranch. Also, keep in mind that the cabinets are actually gonna be a little bit higher. These, I believe, are 40 inch, and in Sandbrock, you're gonna have 42 inch. And you can also extend those. That is an option that you can do, and you can add under cabinet lighting, and you can add cabinets on top of, which make it look super good. You're gonna see that this kitchen does have a two-tone, so your island is a different color than the rest of the cabinets. Also something that is being done a lot, super good, and it makes the house look really nice. Another great feature that they started adding in their new 45s and their new floor plans that they just rolled out are these beautiful cabinets. So you've got this hutch. All of the floor plans have them. It's just different where they're located. But this is a huge hutch. So you have so much space. If you're an entertainer or you're a baker or you love cooking, this is such a great space. It's such a great kitchen. Another thing that I wanted to point out was your bay window, box window here in the dining area. So this is a standard feature. You don't have to upgrade it, which is really nice. You have a lot of natural light, big windows, lots of space. This is gonna be your family area. Now, another thing to point out, guys, is you can forego these windows behind me and you can do sliding glass doors. I think it makes all the difference in the world, especially for resale value. You're gonna wanna go ahead and add those. But even if you don't want to and you wanna go with the, with the windows, that is totally fine. You still get a lot of natural light. Okay, you guys, another one of my favorite things about this floor plan is definitely gonna be this amazing staircase. So this is probably one of both of our favorite things, and you guys are gonna see how grand it is. I think it gives it such an elegant look and feel to the entire home. It is curved, it's beautiful. Imagine decorating this during Christmas. It is definitely your focal point here in the dining room. You've got a cute little area here that you can do for sitting area or a reading nook for the kids. You've got so many choices, but honestly, you guys, this staircase just sells the home. Okay, we are now standing in the master bedroom. As you can see, it's super spacious, very bright. They have chosen to add on the bay window, which again, we always suggest that you do it. It's great for resale value, but it definitely gives it that extra look and feel that you're going for in your master retreat. As you can see, these windows do extend all the way almost to the ceiling. Another thing to notice is that Sandbrock Ranch will have a little bit higher windows as well. Their finishes are gonna be a little bit different. We are in Houston today, so they're the only ones that have this floor plan. So you're looking at it here first. Baseboards are also gonna be a little bit different at Sandbrock Ranch, but you are gonna have double doors into your master retreat bathroom. You're gonna have the toilet room right off to the left, some linen space to the right. This is a beautiful drop-in tub. This can also be an upgrade. You normally get an oversized bathtub, but you can upgrade to do a drop-in, or you can upgrade to do the standalone tub. This is gonna be a standard feature, all walk-in showers. You're gonna have dual sinks on this side, again, standard. It will be up to you on how you want those finishes to look, but it's a super spacious bathroom. And as you follow me into this closet, honestly, like this closet could be a room of its own. So lots of space. You can do a custom closet system in here and have the house be totally different and amazing, good for resale value as well. Okay guys, as you can see, we're now standing in the loft. You guys, this is amazing, super spacious, very well lit. If you've got little ones, this is a perfect place for them to hang out. Or if you've got teenagers, awesome entertainment room aside from the rest of the house. You also still have full access to the downstairs. So as you can see, I mean, this looks gorgeous, open rail. Okay, one of the great things about this floor plan that we really love is that you have the option to add an entertainment room upstairs. So aside from your loft, as you keep walking, you are gonna have 3 bedrooms upstairs. You are gonna have, I'm sorry, I apologize. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms upstairs. You're gonna have one of the bedrooms over here to my left, and this would actually be turned into the entertainment room. So your entrance is gonna be right over here. This right now is attic access, but you can definitely have that extra space for resale value. This is amazing, you guys, and you get a whole entertainment room upstairs, aside from the loft and the studio downstairs or your office. So much room to grow. This house is just a little bit under 2,700 square feet, but let's check out the rest of it and see what you think. Okay, we are now on the other side of the loft. As you can see, you still have this super grand entry. You've got a nice doorway, lots of natural light, and then just off to the side, you're gonna have this cute little ensuite, which is perfect if you've got girls or if you've got a mother-in-law or any kind of situation that you may need just a little bit more privacy. If you've got guests coming over, this room is gonna have its own separate bathroom, full bathroom. You're gonna have a closet, very spacious closet. And then as you keep going, you are gonna have a really nice, spacious open room. So you do get additional linen space there. You get an additional closet here. This is great for guests or for girls who just kind of need their own space. This layout works for so many different reasons. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. We hope that you enjoyed this video, that you enjoyed the walkthrough.
Yeah.
Again, remember, you saw it here first.
That's right. So here we are, KGC Realty Group. Just remember, this is where you saw this floor plan first. Our kids are not sure what they're doing over there, so got to keep an eye on them. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure again to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week. All right, guys, so we will see you next time.